Hi, this is Joe again with Share My Coach, and I'm standing in the 27-foot gray, I guess it's called a Greyhawk or a Graywolf, and it is number 1794 on our website. You can see that this is a bunk bed trailer. It is really, I mean, it's like brand spanking new. So it's a 2008, and as you can see as you go through here, it's got a nice dining booth, and it has the rear bathroom. It has the bunks. It's got a bottom bunk and a top bunk. And as you can see in the bathroom, the commode with the shower. And if you swing on around here, you can see the way that the master bedroom is set up. This is a beautiful, beautiful trailer. It weighs a little over 5,000 pounds. And it is number 1794. Check it out on the web. I think you're going to like this one. And by the way, if you notice, it's also got the couch that turns into a bed. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a really nice cooking area. And as you can see, it also has the little bar stools. Check this one out, 1794.